Hey there! Welcome to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks to help you achieve financial success. Want to turn your credit score into a show-stopping 800 plus in just 6 months? It might sound like a daunting task, but with the right strategies, it's absolutely achievable. Buckle up because I'm about to show you how. This journey will require dedication and a bit of patience, but the rewards are well worth it. First things first, let's talk about knowing your enemy, your credit report. This document holds the key to understanding your current credit situation. You gotta get your hands on it and check it like an overprotective parent checks their kid's social media. Every detail matters. Look for errors, unauthorized accounts, or anything that screams, "I did not buy that llama farm." Even small mistakes can have a big impact on your score. If you spot anything suspicious, dispute it ASAP. The sooner you address these issues, the quicker your score can improve. Next up, let's tackle those credit card balances. High balances can drag your score down, so it's crucial to manage them wisely. Keeping your credit utilization below 30% is key. This means if you have a credit limit of $1,000, try to keep your balance under $300. If you can swing it, aim for under 10%. This shows lenders that you're not overly reliant on credit. Think of it as a diet for your credit cards. Just like with food, moderation is key. If they're getting too hefty, it's time for some serious portion control. Cut back on unnecessary spending and focus on paying down your balances. Okay, now pay attention because this step is super important. It can make or break your credit score. Never, and I mean never, miss a payment. Payment history is the most significant factor in your credit score. Set up automatic payments or alarms, or get a trained parrot to remind you. Whatever it takes to ensure you never miss a due date. Just make sure your payments are on time. Consistency is key here. This shows lenders you're responsible and reliable, like a financial superhero. They'll be more likely to trust you with more credit. Speaking of responsibility, let's talk about opening new accounts. It's tempting, but you need to be strategic. Don't do it just for the shiny new card design. Each new account should serve a purpose in your financial plan. Each new application triggers a hard inquiry, which can ding your score temporarily. Be mindful of this. Only apply for credit when you really need it. This will help you avoid unnecessary hits to your score. Resist that urge like you resist texting your ex at 2 a.m. It's all about self-control. Now here's a little known trick. Become an authorized user on someone else's card. This can give your score a nice boost. Make sure it's someone with a stellar credit history, like your financially savvy uncle or that one friend who's way too into spreadsheets. Their good habits can benefit you. Their good habits rub off on you and your score gets a nice little boost. It's a win-win situation. Finally, patience is your friend. Building a great credit score doesn't happen overnight. Building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, but the results are worth the wait. Check your progress every month, celebrate small victories, and keep your eyes on the prize. Each step forward is a step closer to your goal. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but your 800-plus credit score can be built in just 6 months. Stay committed and you'll get there. So there you have it. Follow these steps diligently, and you'll be well on your way to an impressive credit score. With these tips, you'll be rocking an 800-plus credit score in no time. Your financial future is looking bright. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tips. Bye! Stay financially savvy.